Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to write a scenario in Cucumber using Java. Let's start by looking at the directory structure under the test folder. Inside the Java directory, I have a Hello Cucumber package with 2 Java files. And under the resources folder, I have a Hello Cucumber package with 1 feature file. Next, let's look at the feature file. On line 1, I'm writing the name of the feature, and on line 2, I'm creating a description. On line 4, I'm writing a scenario followed by 3 steps: given, when, and then. Now, let's look at the step definitions Java class. Here on line 12, I'm declaring the @given annotation and setting the today variable to Sunday. On line 17, I'm declaring the @when annotation and setting the actual answer variable. The value of actual answer is coming from isItFriday static method. Finally, on line 22, I'm declaring the @then annotation and asserting whether the expected answer is equal to actual answer or not. Next, to execute this test, right-click on the feature file and hit Run. As you can see, all 3 steps in our scenario passed. Now watch what happens if I change the return value of isItFriday static method to yes and re-execute this test. This time our scenario failed because one of our steps got an assertion error. The expected value was nope, but yes was found. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.